Let us now discuss polynomial functions. Zeros of polynomial functions if the given is in factored form.
This will be our learning objective for today, and that is illustrates polynomial functions.
Polynomial functions x and y intersect. When we say x-intercept of a graph, these are the x value when y is 0. Thus, the point or the points where the graph intersects the x-axis can be determined. When we say x-intercept, ibig sabihin, nag-touch siya sa x-axis and the value of y is always 0. While when we say y-intercept, these are the y values when x is equal to 0. Thus, the points where the graph intersects the y-axis can be determined. Meaning to say, yung point ay nag-touch sa y-axis and the value of your x is always 0. Examples, f of x equals x squared times x minus 2 squared. Since it is in factored form, kailangan natin siyang i-express into expanded form. So let us write into expanded form or convert into expanded form. That is f of x equals x squared times x minus 2 squared. Meaning to say, dalawang beses mong i-multiply ang x minus 2 sa kanyang sarili. Times x minus 2 times x minus 2. To find the x-intercept, equate them to 0. So that will become 0 equals x squared times x minus 2 times x minus 2. That will become x squared equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and x minus 2 equals 0. Simplify. X squared equals 0. To simplify this one, equate them to square root. So that will become x equals square root of 0, still that is 0. Then, s minus 2 equals 0. Transpose mo lang siya sa kabila. So, kung negative siya, magiging positive. And that will become x equals positive 2. Ganon din sa kabila. X equals positive 2. Therefore, you can now conclude that 0 at multiplicity of 2. Ibig sabihin, dalawang beses nag-appear yung x equals 0. Bakit? Kasi if you're going to expand this one, that is x times x. And yung 2, dalawang beses din nag-appear. That's why you can now conclude that 2 at multiplicity of 2. So, what will be your ordered pairs? Pag sinabing ordered pairs, sa x-intercept, you're going to set your y as 0. So, kung ang unang value ay 0, yung x, and then yung y ay 0, so yung una mong ordered pairs ay 0, 0. And then yung pangalawa naman, kung ang value ng x ay 2, then yung y ay 0. That is your x-intercept. Now, how to solve the y-intercept? To solve for the y-intercept, we will set x as 0. Balik tayo dito sa may unang given. So, that will become f of 0 equals 0 squared times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 2. So 0 squared is 0 times negative 2 times negative 2. Any number multiplied by 0, still the answer is 0. So your y-intercept will be 0, 0. Now graph x-intercepts and y-intercept. X-intercept is 0, 0, meaning to say dumaan siya sa origin. Nasaan yung 0, 0? Ito po yun. 0, 0. Next, 2, 0. Ito po yun. So that is 2, 0. That's all for today. You can find this given at Grade 10 DepEd Learners Module Unit 1 and 2. At the same time, Grade 10 Pivot 4A Learners Module Quarter 2. Credits to SlideGo for the template.